Okay, so they do have some aircraft still here. Oh, and those two big old 747s by that hangar right there. Those are the presidential airborne command posts that follow the president wherever he goes when he leaves Washington. They're stationed out of here, and they got a couple at Andrews Air Force Base outside Washington, and they rotate. I had a good friend when I was stationed here that flew security on those, security specialist. And here's the old East Gate that I used to sit at, and we had to close whenever one of those 747s decided to do full power takeoff, Claxon takeoff. Oh yeah, you can see where the tore down the island. Oops. Yeah, right here. Here, the sign. This is where the gatehouse used to be, and with all the weeds, you can see it's been closed for some time. Kind of. And we call it the East Gate. They tore the. There's no shack here anymore. That's torn down. But right there is the east end of the runway. And those 747s, when they were practicing the Claxon takeoff, an alert, they would come down here and they'd do a full power takeoff, and we would have to close off. I'd have to close the gate, and then and it wasn't as it was a lot smaller, like a bar gate that used to be here back then. It wasn't the big cyclone fence. And a patrol car would park across the road on the other side of the hump there for the runway, and stop traffic coming out till the aircraft took off. But you can actually, looking down there, and sorry about that. Okay, you see the tower over there, and there's a great big building behind that we called Building D. During World War II, it was a B-29 aircraft factory. So that's still here, and they had all broken it up and used it for, sorry about that, put it in the back of my holder, transportation and you name it. Was housed there. All sorts of stuff was housed out of it. Yeah.